The future is here, a future where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, making everything more efficient and intuitive. It's powered by artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality that is transforming industries and personal lives alike. Microsoft's LAM is not just another AI, it's a game changer. It represents a significant leap forward in how we interact with technology. LAM stands for Large Action Model. This innovative system is designed to understand and execute complex tasks with ease, but it's much more than a fancy name. LAM is built to adapt, learn, and grow with you, making it an indispensable tool in both professional and personal settings. LAM is about to revolutionize the way we work and live. Imagine a workspace where your tools anticipate your needs and streamline your workflow. Imagine a world where your computer understands your every command. A world where technology is not a barrier but a bridge to greater productivity. No more clicking through endless menus or struggling with complex software. LAM simplifies everything, making technology accessible to everyone. LAM can do it all. From automating mundane tasks to providing insightful data analysis, it's your ultimate tech companion. From writing reports to creating presentations, LAM handles it with precision and speed, freeing you to focus on what truly matters. LAM is the ultimate digital assistant. It organizes your tasks, manages your calendar, and even handles your emails, all with a level of intelligence that feels almost human. This is not science fiction. This is the cutting-edge technology that is available today, ready to transform your life. This is the power of LAM, a system that learns, evolves, and becomes more efficient with every interaction. And it's just the beginning. The potential of LAM is limitless, and we are only scratching the surface of what it can achieve. LAM is a giant leap for AI. It represents a new era of innovation and possibilities. It's a glimpse into a future where technology empowers us to achieve more than we ever thought possible. A future where AI is an extension of our own capabilities. Welcome to the dawn of a new era, an era where AI is not just a tool, but a partner in our journey towards progress. The age of LAM is here. Embrace the future and let LAM guide you to new heights of innovation and efficiency. The key to LAM's power lies in its ability to understand you. This isn't just about recognizing the words you say, but truly grasping the meaning behind them. Not just your words, but your intent. Imagine a world where your digital assistant knows exactly what you need even before you finish your sentence. It's like having a mind reader as your personal assistant. LAM's advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities make this possible. LAM goes beyond simple voice commands. It delves into the nuances of your requests, understanding the subtleties and context that make each interaction unique. It analyzes your requests, understands the context, and figures out what you really want to achieve. This deep comprehension allows for a more personalized and efficient user experience. It's like having a conversation with your computer, where it actually gets you. No more repeating yourself or dealing with misunderstandings. This deep understanding allows LAM to perform complex tasks with remarkable accuracy. From scheduling your day to managing your emails, LAM handles it all effortlessly. It can generate human-quality text, translate languages seamlessly, and even adapt its tone and style to match your preferences, and even write different kinds of creative content. Whether it's drafting a report, composing an email, or creating a story, LAM's capabilities are vast. LAM's intent understanding is a game changer for human-computer interaction. It bridges the gap between human thought and digital execution. It's the foundation for a future where technology anticipates our needs and helps us unlock our full potential. With LAM, the future of intuitive and intelligent technology is here. Understanding your intent is just the first step. LAM takes it further by generating actions to fulfill your requests. It's like having a personal assistant who not only understands your instructions, but also knows exactly how to carry them out. LAM can navigate complex software applications, automate repetitive tasks, and even make decisions based on your preferences. Need to schedule a meeting? LAM can access your calendar, find a suitable time slot, and send out invitations. Have a mountain of data to analyze? LAM can process it in seconds and generate insightful reports. LAM's action generation capabilities are transforming the way we work. It's freeing us from tedious tasks and empowering us to focus on what truly matters. LAM's impact is already being felt across various industries. From healthcare to finance, businesses are leveraging LAM's power to streamline operations and enhance productivity. In healthcare, LAM is assisting doctors with diagnoses, analyzing medical images, and even providing personalized treatment plans. Imagine a future where AI helps us live longer, healthier lives. In finance, LAM is revolutionizing trading, risk management, and customer service. Imagine a world where financial decisions are made with lightning speed and unparalleled accuracy. These are just a few examples of how LAM is transforming our world. As LAM continues to evolve, its potential applications are limitless. Section 5. Shaping the future potential applications of LAM. The future of LAM is brimming with possibilities. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, the potential applications of LAM are vast and transformative. Imagine a world where LAM powers self-driving cars, making our roads safer and more efficient. Picture personalized education systems that adapt to each student's unique learning style, providing a tailored educational experience. Envision space exploration missions that are more precise and efficient, pushing the boundaries of what humanity can achieve. In the realm of assistive technology, LAM could empower people with disabilities to live more independently. Advanced prosthetics and assistive devices could be enhanced with LAM, offering greater functionality and improving quality of life. Imagine a world where technology breaks down barriers and creates a more inclusive society. LAM can help bridge the gap, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their abilities, has access to the same opportunities. In the fight against climate change, LAM could analyze environmental data, optimize resource allocation, and help us transition to a more sustainable future. By harnessing the power of LAM, we can make more informed decisions to protect our planet. Imagine a world where technology helps us protect our planet for generations to come. Sustainable farming practices and eco-friendly city planning could be revolutionized with LAM, ensuring a healthier environment for all. Picture communities coming together, supported by LAM, to engage in environmental conservation efforts. From planting trees to cleaning beaches, technology can play a crucial role in preserving our natural world. LAM's potential is limited only by our imagination. The creative possibilities are endless, and as we continue to innovate, we will discover new ways to integrate LAM into our daily lives. As we continue to explore its capabilities, we unlock new possibilities for a brighter future. The journey of LAM is just beginning, and its impact on our world will be profound and far-reaching. Section 6. Building LAM, a glimpse into its development. Developing LAM is a complex and fascinating process. It involves training massive neural networks on colossal datasets of text and code. This allows LAM to learn patterns, understand language, and generate human-quality output. The process begins with data collection and preparation. Engineers meticulously curate and clean vast amounts of data to train LAM's algorithms. Next comes the training phase, where LAM learns to perform various tasks. This involves feeding it massive amounts of data and adjusting its parameters until it can generate accurate and coherent output. The final stage involves evaluation and refinement. Engineers rigorously test LAM's performance and fine-tune its algorithms to ensure optimal results. Section 7. Navigating the challenges, ethical considerations, and job displacement. As with any transformative technology, LAM comes with its own set of challenges. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for job displacement. As LAM automates tasks previously performed by humans, it's crucial to address the impact on the workforce. We need to ensure that workers have access to retraining and reskilling opportunities to thrive in a LAM-powered world. Another critical consideration is the ethical implications of LAM. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to establish clear guidelines for its development and use. We need to ensure that LAM is used responsibly and ethically, without perpetuating biases or infringing on privacy. Section 8. The future of AI automation, a balancing act. The future of AI automation hinges on striking a balance between innovation and responsibility. We need to embrace the transformative potential of LAM while addressing its challenges head-on. Governments, businesses, and researchers must work together to establish ethical frameworks, promote workforce development, and ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. The future is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape it. By embracing a collaborative and responsible approach to AI development, we can harness LAM's power to create a more equitable, prosperous, and sustainable future for all. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the transformative power of LAM. Microsoft's LAM is more than just a technological marvel. It's a catalyst for change, a glimpse into a future where technology empowers us to achieve the extraordinary. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it's up to us to embrace LAM's transformative potential while navigating its challenges with wisdom and foresight. The future is unwritten. Let's write it together. Let's harness the power of LAM to build a brighter future for all.